the presentations, Radha?
Yeah.
Okay. So today we will learn some more types of question based on percentage. Okay. Yes. Write a question. If the length of a rectangle, if the length of a rectangle increased by 37 whole 1 by 2%, 37 whole 1 by 2%, and its breadth is decreased by and its
Um, the length of a rectangle is
increased by 37 whole 1 by 2%, 37 whole 1 by 2%, and its breadth is decreased by 20%, decreased by 20%, and its breadth is decreased by 20%, comma, find the percentage change in area, find the percentage change in area. I'm repeating, if the breadth of a rectangle increased by 37 whole 1 by 2% and its breadth is length of a rectangle, okay, and its breadth is decreased by 20%, find the percentage change in area. Yeah, please try this one. Okay, let's see here how we will do it. See, in length it is increment of 37 whole 1 by 2%, right? We have to change it into fraction. We have already learned how to change it,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Just wait a minute. It's on call. Just wait a minute. It's on call. Just wait a minute. Okay. Yes. See here. So it is the length is increased by 37 whole 1 by 2%. Okay. We have already know how to change it. Okay. So when you will change it, the fraction will become 75 by 2% and it will be 75 by 200. So when you will cut it and change it into simplest form, it will become 3 by 8, right?
Yeah.
3 by 8.
Eight.
This 8 is original value, right? This 8 is original value, okay? And this 3 is the increment on 8. Suppose if 8 was the original length and it is the increment of 3, so the new length will become 11. Like this you have to think it, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, but for now let's do for breadth. It's 20%. 20% means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 it is decreasement, right? Decreasement of 20%, right? This 5 is the original value. Okay. Now let's see here how we will do it. Area of the length, area of the rectangle, we know that to find the area of the rectangle we do length into breadth, right? Before
Yeah.
the length was 8, originally it was 8, now it's become 3 more, so it will be 11. Before the breadth was 5, now it was the decreasement of 20%, so when the original value was 5 and here the numerator is 1, it's mean 1 has been decreased, so now the breadth is 4. Okay, now we have to multiply it. Okay, here you can see it is plus 3 and here you can see it is minus 1. Now just multiply it. 8 5s are 40 and here 11 4s are 44. It's mean before the change the area was 40 units and now after the change area becomes 44 unit. Okay. So you can see it is the increment of 4 unit. we have to find the percentage change in area. So percentage change will be, the required percentage will be, it is the 4% 4 unit increasement on 40 multiply 100. 4 1 ja 4, 4 10. Here 0 cancel, it will be 10% increasement. 10% increasement. Okay. Is it clear?
In area.
Or any doubt?
10% increase in area. Right.
Yeah, 10% increasement in the area. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, please note down it. So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Try this another question based on the same pattern by yourself. So write it. If the side of a square, if the side of the square is increased by 40%, if the side of the square is increased by 40%, if the side of a square is increased by 40%, find the change in area. It's too simple. Find the change in area. 44% increasement in area.
Yeah.
No, dear.
Wait once.
Yes,
96%.
96% increasement. Very good. Yes. So as here it's saying ki 40% increasement, right? 40% means 2 by 5. 5 is the original value and the 2 is the increment value. So to find the area of a square, we know that side into side, it's side into side, right? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Side into side, okay? So before it was 5, now 2 units increased. 2 units has been increased, so then now the side becomes 7 units, right? 5 plus 2, 7, okay? And again it's 5, 7 plus 2, increment of plus 2, okay? You can see here. So 5 into 5, 25, and 7, 7, 49. As you can see, it is the increment of 24%, 24 units, sorry. So the required percent will be 24
24
by
by 25.
25 into 100. So here it's 4 time 96% increment. Okay. Is it clear? Or any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
So decrease means you have to just subtract it.
Yeah, when it will be when it will be decreasement, then you have to subtract the numerator value, and when it will be increasement, then you have to add the numerator value. Okay. Now write the next question. If 50% of x minus y is equal to 30% of x plus y. If 50% of x minus y is equal to 30% of x plus y, then what percent is y of x? Okay, what percent is y of x? Please try it. Okay, no problem, dear. Let's see here how we will do it. As here it is saying 50% of x minus y is equal to 30% of x plus y, right? It's mean 50% means 1 by 2 of x minus y is equal to 30% means 3 by 10. Okay,
Yeah.
x plus y. Then here 2 in 5 times. So it will be 5x minus 5y is equal to 3x plus 3y. Okay. When you will solve it,
So
5x
what
this
if multiplied by half?
what?
What if we multiply that like
Which one?
1 by 2 into x?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
So like in that step, what if we multiply 1 by 2 into x minus y?
See, if we will multiply with the fractional part, then it will become more lengthy for us, na? So that's why
So
I
we
cut it.
can do that, right? It's not wrong.
Yeah, yeah, you can. We can do it. Okay, no problem. But when you will solve it, then after three, four steps, you have to cut it definitely, or you will subtract it, na? So you will come on the same step. Okay, after doing two or three steps, you will come on the same step. Okay. So here 5x and this 3x will come in the left hand side. It will become 2x. Okay. This 5 minus 5y will go in the right hand side. So it will be
8y.
8y. Yes, equal to 8y. Now 2 and here 4. Okay. So it will be x equal to 4y. Okay. And this one we can write it as we have to find y of x. Okay, x by y is equal to 4 by 1, right? It's mean the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 1. We have to find the percent, uh, what percent is y of x. Okay, so percent is y of x will be y equal to 1 by 4, right? 1 by 4 na, because the value of y is 1 and the value of x, so we are comparing y with x. Okay, so it will be 1 by 4 and we have to find the percent, so by 100 multiply 100, here 25, so it will be 25%. Y is 25% of x. Okay, is it clear
Yes, sir.
or any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, then please note down it. Now write the next question. The price of a commodity rice, the price of a commodity rice from rupees 6 per rupees 6 kg to rupees 7.50 per kg. Okay, rupees 6 per kg to rupees 7.50 per kg. Full stop. If the expenditure cannot increased, if the expenditure cannot increased, the percentage of reduction in the percentage of reduction in consumption is the percentage of reduction in consumption is question mark. Just try this one. Let's see here how we will do it. Initial price, okay, and final price. As here initial price was 6, final price become 7.50. It is the increment of 1.5, right? Is it
Yes,
clear? 1.5. So just here we have to do as in the question it is saying that if the expenditure cannot increase, expenditure was same. Okay, so what percent of reduction in consumption is? Okay, So this is the increment 1.5 on 6. Okay, just multiplied by 100 and let's see what you will get. 10, 0, then 2 3 is 3 2 just 6 na, 3 2
Yeah.
just 6, 3 5 is 15, 2 5 is 10. Okay, so it will be 25, means 25%. Okay, no,
So
this,
what?
yeah, yeah, this
What's
is
the point?
this 25%. Okay, wait, this 25% we got. Okay, it is the increment of 25%. Okay, it's mean in the price it is the increment of 25%. Is it clear? Now we have to do, now, okay, let's see here, I will do here. Now percentage decrease in consumption will be, let's see here, this 25% increased, so it will 125. Okay, when, if suppose it, the value of 125 is 100, we have to find the value of 25. Okay,
So
this
how
is the
did
increment na.
125 come?
But
How did 125 come?
as it is the increment of 25 now, so when it was 100 rupees it's become 125, right? So suppose on 125 we get 100. Okay, we get 100, so we have to reduce, what amount we have to reduce, what percent we have to reduce. This is the 25% increment, this one we have to reduce now, right? Which is the increment, so this one we will reduce. So here we will do it like 125 is the value of it is 100, we have to find the value of 25. So just cross multiplication and the answer will be 5 and here 20. So 20% it will be the reduction in consumption. Okay, or I have another trick. If you become confused in this method, then you can also use this method. See, 25%, okay, it's mean 1 by 4. Let's see here, price, and here consumption, okay, which we will let. So when the price was 4, okay, it's become 5. So we, when it was 5, we have to make it 4. We have to reduce it, na? Right? Is it clear? So as you can see, it is the increment or the decreasement of -1. Okay. When the price was 4, the consumption was 5 unit. Now reverse it. When the price increased, it's become 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. So we have to reduce the consumption. It will be 4. Okay. So this is 1. And this reduction is on the 5. This reduction is on 5. Okay. The price, new price. Okay. Is it clear? Multiply by 100. Then this will be 20%. Is it clear? So till
Yes.
here you have to do. Till here you have to do. Okay. After this you can go with two method. Either this method or this method. Okay. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So please note down it. Okay, write a next question. Two number are respectively. Two number are respectively. Number are respectively two number are respectively 20% and 50%. 20% and 50% more than a third number. More than a third number. Full stop. Now what percentage is the first of the second? Now what percentage is the first of the second of the second? See here how we will do it.
125%.
No, no, Shraddha. See here how we will do it, okay? As it is saying, two numbers are respectively, right? The word used here, respectively. 20% and 50% more than a third number. Let first the three numbers. First, second, and third, okay? Let the third number be 100, okay? The best and simplest trick. Let the third number be 100. As here the word respectively used for the two numbers and it is saying 20% and 50%. It's mean 20% is for first number and 50% is for the second number. Both number are comparing from the third number respectively, okay, or separately also. So 20% more than the third number. It's mean first will become 120 and second will become 150. That's all. Now we have to find now what percent is the first of the second. This number is what percent of this number. So as it is 20, okay. So we have to just do 120 by 150 into 100. That's all. And it will be 340, 3, 5, 3, 2, 5 into 5, 5 to 10, okay. So it will be 80%. The first number is 80% of the second number. That's all. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Please do it. Okay, now write the next question. If Gautam's height is, if Gautam's height is 10% more than Seema's height, if Gautam's height is 10% more than Seema's height, 10% more than Seema's height, comma, by how much percent? If Gautam's height is 10% more than Seema's height, 10% more than Seema's height, comma, by how much percent, by how much percent is Seema's height less than of Gautam's? By how much percent, by how much percent is Seema's height, is Seema's height less than of Gautam's? Less than of Gautam's? Question mark. Let's try this question. Okay. Fraction. See here how we will do it.
1 by 11.
Yes, very good. This is Gautam and let it be Shraddha. Sorry, Seema. Sorry, Seema and Gotham. Okay. Here it's saying Gautam's height is 10% more than Seema's height. Okay. Suppose Seema's height 100 unit. So Gautam's height will be 110. Okay. Now here we have to compare the height of what person Seema's height less than Gautam means we have to compare now
Sir,
Seema's height,
uh,
right? Yes, tell
just wait,
me.
sir.
Ha, yeah.
Recorded the voice.
Ha, sure. Sure, Shraddha. Okay, Shraddha. So as here now we have to compare the uh, Seema's height with Gautam's height, okay? So as you can see here, it is 10 less, right? When we will compare with Gautam, it is 10 less, right? So percentage will be 10 divided by, we are comparing with Gautam, na? So original value will be 110, okay? Multiply 100. This 0 cancel. It will be 100 by 11. So it will be 11 9 ja 99 and 1 remainder divided by 11%. That's all. Okay. This will be the answer. Is it clear or
Yes.
any doubt? Now try the next question. 90% of the students, 90%, this is another type of question. Okay. 90% of the students in school 90% of the students in school passed in English. Passed in English. 85% passed in Hindi. 85% passed in Hindi. And 375 students passed in both. And 375 students passed in both. 375 students passed in both the subjects. In both the subjects. If number full stop, if number of students failed in both the subjects, if number of students failed in both the subjects, if students failed in both the subjects, find the total number of students.
If number of students failed in both subjects,
Sorry, if no students failed in both subjects, this is like this. If no student, number
if no
not,
students,
yeah, not number, it's no. If no student fail in both the subjects, if no students fail in the both the subjects, find the total number of students. Find the total number of students. Okay. Let's see here how we will do this type of questions. Suppose this is total 100. Okay. This is total 100. You can also take it a number of students total 100. Okay. As here it is saying 90% of the students passed in English. Okay. So 90%. Said the 90%. Suppose this is the 90% student who passed in English. Okay. This is 90%. And 80% of the students passed in Hindi. Suppose this is 85%. Na? 85%. This is 85%. Okay. This is 85% student passed in Hindi. Okay. As here it is given 375 students passed in both the subjects. Okay. 375 students passed in both subjects. Okay. Now let's see here how we will do it. So percentage of pass students in both the subject. Okay. Percentage of passed students in both subjects. See here, what it will be? 90 plus 85, okay, minus 100. When we will do it, 90 plus 85 minus 100, we will get the number of students who passed in both subject, right? Is it clear? So
How
that percent,
minus 100?
what?
How minus 100?
Total is 100 now. When you will add 90 plus 85, you are getting 175. It's mean 100 is the total, means 75 is the extra. Means 75% passed in the both subject. Okay, just wait a minute. Okay, Srada. It's mean the extra which we are getting, that is the number of or the percentage of students who passed in both subject, na? So that is 75%. That 75% which we are getting extra, it is the percentage of passed student in both subject. Okay, is it clear or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Now, as here 375 students, okay, passed in both subject, okay, both subjects. So 75% of x, it is 375, okay. We have to find the value of 100, that's all, okay. So what we will do, 75 by 100 into x, it will be 375, okay. Now let's do it. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, okay. Here 5 7 the 35, 5 5 ja 25, okay. 15, I think 5 times, right? So it will be x equal to 5 into 100. It's mean 500 students, okay. Is it clear? There are total 500 students, okay. You have to find the total number of students, so it will be 500, okay. If you don't want to do these steps, you can also do like this. As here we get 75% is the extra, right? Who passed in both subject. So here 75%, this value 75 is equal to 375. 375, what will be the value of 100? Like this you can also do it, okay.
Okay.
75 into 100, that's all. Is it clear? In 5 times,
Yes.
right? In 5 times, and here 100, so 500, that's all, okay. So you can also do like this. Till here you have to do it. This diagram I just draw here to explain you. When you will sit on the exam and if this type of question will come, just you have to find this value, okay, this value. Just add the both 90% and 85%. So the extra which you are getting, that is the percentage or the number of students who passed in both subjects. So extra we are getting 75, right? Because 90 plus 85 total 175. So the 75 extra which we are getting on 100, that is the number of students who passed in both subjects. So this 75 value of this 75 is given 375 students. So what will be the value of 100 units or 100 students which we late here, right? So please note down it. Please note down this one. Uh,
I did that.
oh, okay, and this one as a note you can note down that you can also do like this, okay? Is it clear now?